Good morning, this is latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian markets were mostly lower Friday, though Japan's Nikkei stock average soared to a fresh multi-year high as investors cheered the Bank of Japan's latest monetary easing measures. In Tokyo, the Nikkei rose to its highest level since August 2008 after the Bank of Japan announced a set of bolder-than-expected monetary easing measures under new central bank governor Haruhiko Kuroda Thursday as part of its commitment to end deflation. The index was recently up 3.2% at 13,037.21 after rising as high as 13,225.62 in early trading. South Korea's Kospi Composite was 2.1% lower as concerns over escalating military threats from North Korea continued to weigh on sentiment. The Japanese yen extended its losses against both the US dollar and the euro following the central bank's easing measures. The dollar was at 96.68 yens after earlier hitting a fresh 3.5-year high of 97.20 and compared with 96.35 late Thursday in New York, while the euro was at 125.03 yens compared with 124.62. Elsewhere, the euro was slightly lower against the US dollar at 1.2933 compared with 1.2936 late Thursday in New York, as investors remained cautious before Friday's US jobs data following Thursday's disappointing jobless claims report. A lot going on in North America today. We'll be getting trade balances from both Canada and the US, as well as some very interesting labor data from the same two countries. US non-farm employment change and unemployment rate 12:30 GMT. The non-farm employment change shows the change in the number of employed persons for the past month, and the unemployment rate represents the percentage of the workforce that is currently out of job and trying to find one. Last month, despite expectations for a moderate 162,000 employment change, we got a very nice 236,000 instead. The unemployment rate, on the other hand, came out at 7.7% instead of the expected 7.9%. Today's NFP employment change release is forecasted at 200,000. The unemployment rate is expected to be at 7.7% after remaining at the same levels in the past few releases. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.